I'm actually gonna
Wait,
duel
wait,
Caleb
I
real
want to
quick.
duel with
Well,
someone.
no,
real
Caleb,
quick.
let's duel. Alright, let's go. Dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, okay, let's restart again. Dude, I just... Okay, so we're playing kills.
God damn it. Hey, start. What? He shot me.
Oh, nice. Okay, wait, this is actually fun. This is actually really fun. Stormtrooperitis. I don't know why I'm saying that. I cannot do any better. Not one bite to that. Oh, me too. Cute.
Oh,
I keep dying.
It's not a bathroom stall. What do you? Self-defense. Dead.
oh, come on. You could at least let me live for 2 seconds.
I'm not. No. Yeah. Sorry,
I'm
that's
using
against the
fly
law.
swatter.
Oh, dang. Oh. What the? Officer, I swear, I only did was spawn on top of him. Oh my god. Huh? What? How did I die in the ether? They're all dead.
I know you're there. War 1.
Someone knows my location. Ooh, he knows. Nope. Get out, buddy. Yo, it's a massacre in here. Hello. What the fuck? This is terrifying.
I hate you, bro.
What the?
Same chances.
Big variety I have spotted.
What does it mean?
Oh my god.
What the?
I saved you, bro.
No, I don't know.
And I killed you, bro.
Checking. Oh my god.
So it's I killed someone.
My
Well,
granny
he just actually died for the first time. Hi, mister. Oh, we both did. GG's.
So if you shoot yourself, you do die.
What did you say about
Oh my god, dude.
God,
No way I spawn died.
Come here.
Yo, I just got 3 people. Maybe even 4 in a row. Hi, mister.
No. Get back!
That's no fair. Bro, I spawned and this kid had a gun in like, how are y'all using shotguns? There's the master.
What the? There. That's crazy. Wait, this is a crazy movement.
Party time.
Oh, weird.
He's on.
What the?
Hello, bye bye.
Whoop-pow! Says my fat ass. Dude, wait, those are really sick.
Oh my gosh,
Alright,
thinking
next
VR.
challenge, I'm gonna try and hit the 360 no scope on someone with a dagger.
Thinking bear, yam. One shot.
Let me just hit a 360 no scope.
That was in your mouth.
I said 360 no scope. I'm so bad at aiming.
I threw it
I
before
said-
you threw it.
Just die. Just die. I'm tired. Alright.
Instead of
No scope. I got it. 360 no scope. No, I missed.
Look, here's the pay to win.
No scope. Nah. I'm not gonna count that. Oh. 360 no scope. Oh, come on. Yes! Yes! Oh, I got it. I finally got it. Let me in. No.
Hello.
So we're just gonna forget that happened.
Get away from me!
Dang, that was actually sick. I love throwing daggers now.
Oh, cool. Spawn together.
They'll never know. They'll never know.
No, what? No? Hello. For every shot I've been missing.
Dude! How many people did I just kill? How many people did I just kill?
Missing like 3 times.
That's
without
crazy.
One hit. Oh, finally. Okay, I finally killed 2 people.
I'm not making that.
Welcome someone to the lobby. Welcome you to the lobby. Nope.
Okay.
I'll kill him for the same thing he told me. Right now, bear. Oh my!
Oh. Just ended my streak.
Yeah, shotgun.
I just got a ricochet. I just got a ricochet.
Oh my god. This is still the best thing for killing people.
Another ricochet. That's crazy. That's crazy work. I'm so exhausted. Die. I missed. I shouldn't be alive. He did. He did. Oh my god. Okay, I'll take his daggers as tribute. Very short-lived tribute. Do I want to kill this guy? Or not. That guy. Or not. What? Dead. Oh my god. Dead. Dude, that was... How am I supposed to die? What idea?
Oh wait, it's because the round.
Yo!
It's because the round.
Yo, Chicken Man!
Started.
What?
Chicken Man! Yo!
Alright, let's go.
Chicken Shrimp!
Yo, I remember you. Those are chairmen. Okay. What the? Dead. Yay. That's so Looney Tunes.
What are we doing?
Alright, I'm just gonna say it. I love this map.
I killed the guy. Yeah.
It's somehow more entertaining than like base PvP, which allows so many more weapons.
Weep.
Yo, wait, I got a kid now. Yeah. What the? My kid! My child! I don't have a kid anymore. Oh, super cold water. Not too. How did I win by sitting here and doing nothing?
Stage 1 denial.
Got him. That was actually crazy.
You did not make it.
Hey, Fox, die! I said die! I said. Okay.